So this video is going to be covering Google Classroom. This is a really important one because it's going to be the main vehicle for our class and for you to get information. We're going to use this both if you're in class, if you're at home, or if we are forced to go all virtual sometime throughout the school year. So you're going to get an email from me eventually, and it's going to look something like this. It's going to be inviting you to the Google Classroom that you're assigned to, and all you're going to have to do is click Join. And if you're logged in to your Google account, it will automatically log you in. And then you'll pull up to a page that looks like this. If it doesn't, email me and I can send you the class code and you can join manually and I'll walk you through that. After that, if you want to get to your Google Classroom, all you have to do is you open up a new tab, you go to the waffle, and you open Classroom here. And as long as you're logged into your Google account, it should log you into all your classes automatically. So what this will do is you'll see that it'll pull up this, and this is just a feed here. And this is just the various assignments you have to do, comments. It's just like any other Facebook or Instagram feed. But this is not going to be the best place to get all of your assignments from because everything gets posted on here. You can see any upcoming work. So as of right now, I have no assignments. But what you will see is you'll see the assignment, the due date, and the time that it is due. The most important part of this page is going to be our Meet link. So up here at the top, it'll have the Meet link, and all you have to do is click on it. It opens up the Google Meet for just our classroom. The easiest way to find all of your classwork is going to be to go to the classwork page and click it. And then it breaks it down. You'll see that it's under topics, and topics are just subheadings. So you'll see like chapter 1 or chapter 2 or topic 1, topic 2. And once we get a bunch of assignments in, this will be the easiest way for you to navigate where an assignment is and where to find it. You can use View Your Work up here to see all the work that you have. It'll show if it's turned in, if it's graded. You can break it down by assigned. So right now I have nothing assigned. I've got all my work done. Returned, if I've sent it back to you, you can see I got a 5 out of 10 on this one. Or missing, if something has been graded but you didn't turn it in and you need to turn that in. You can open up the Meet from here. And you can also open up the Google Calendar. The Google Calendar will link the calendar to your calendar. So any assignment that I give out will then be put on your Google Calendar and you can see when it is. It just gives you a calendar view. I would suggest using this so that you can keep up with what you have in my class and other classes. So there's 3 different types of assignments that we're going to go over today. First is just a simple question. Then is an actual assignment and the materials. So for the question, all these are is a single question that a teacher will post. So you open View Question, and you can see here that you have different options of where to type, and this can be a little confusing. So this is the class comments section right here. If you type something here, the whole class will see it. So if you put a question, the whole class will see it. Maybe it'll help somebody else. Private comments will just go to me, the teacher. You can type them here, and I can respond to you. But you'll actually respond up here. So what you'll see is I've already responded to this, but you will see a box here that says type your answer here. You will type in the answer, and then right here there will be a button that says submit. So right where this reply is, you'll hit submit. Make sure you always do that, or obviously I can't grade it. If you want to see your classmates' answers, because maybe you have to respond to 1 or 2 of them, all you have to do is click See Classmates' Answers. And you could see all the people that responded, if they did, down here, and you could click Reply. So we're going to go back. Now we're going to take a look at the assignments. An assignment is more like a folder. It'll have different things in it. So if there were documents or videos I had to watch, they would all be located right here. And you would read those, you would watch those, and then maybe there would be a worksheet that goes along with it. It works the same way. There would be class comments here. If you comment, the whole class can see it. Private comments, which your teacher can respond to. And this is where you actually submit your work. So I'm going to unsubmit mine because maybe I accidentally hit it and I didn't attach anything. So I unsubmit. And you see what comes up here. So let's say that I was told to type up a document to tell Mr. Harris who I was. All I have to do is add or create my document here. I can pick a doc, slides, sheets, a drawing, Or if I have something saved in Microsoft Word, I can attach it from here. Or if I already made something in my Google Drive, I can attach it right here. Once I've attached something, all I do is press submit or resubmit, mark it as done, and it's submitted for grading. Always make sure on every assignment you have that you go in and you hit submit, even if it says ungraded on it, because it'll show up as missing and the teacher won't know to take a look at it. Finally, we have our materials folder. This is not something that you submit. These are simply where things will be contained that you may need to read, or notes or videos, study materials. So what would happen is if there was something attached to this, they would come up as little icons here in these materials folders. And we're going to use this a lot for notes. After I give a lecture, I'll upload the actual PowerPoint, so it'll be right here. So if you miss something, you can come in, open it up, and you are able to just read through it and use it to study or copy something down. These do not have to be submitted because they're just materials. It's just what you need to study. The final tab we have is the People tab. And what you're going to be concerned with this one is, this is how you could easily email me if you don't know my email address. You just open it up, you click on the little letter here, it opens up Gmail, and you can send me an email. So I hope this little tutorial about Google Classroom helps you navigate it a little easier. You're going to get very familiar with it as we go throughout the year. And if you need anything, just let me know and I can send you more information.